worth 4,000 pesos.
Wow, kakaloka.
4,000 pesos off.
Groceries.
This time, our best in costume goes to Iris Gem Opilan.
Ate, pakisalo.
Dito naman nila sa baba.
Oh, yeah. Tapat mo na lang sa'yo, ayan. Akin na muscle mo.
Thank you so much and congratulations. This time,
Ang ating second place,
sino gusto yung second place natin tonight? Hindi kami kasali, sila lang. Sino? Marami kanya-kanyang bet. And of course, once again, our
second place,
receive, of course, a trophy.
to be awarded by SK Chairman Ga Evangelista, SK Chairwoman pala.
Come on, SK.
Second place to receive 3,000 pesos plus trophy
At isang sakong bigas, saing na yan. Okay. Petra K, come on.
Palapakaw po natin our second place,
Samuel Kalimlim Jr.
yung kinanta niya ano,
Warrior is a child.
Warrior is a game.
Maraming. And of course, once again, congratulations sa iyo.
Congratulations. Amoy pambili.
Dito na lang, dito tayo, dito.
Dito lang po tayo.
Ayan ha, magbagong buhay ka na ha. This time to be awarded by Kagawad Gani Evangelista.
Our first place to receive
A trophy
plus 5,000 pesos in cash. Sabi sa gilid ka lang.
Okay. Sino ang gusto yung first place natin tonight? Marami
Ating
tayong mga
first place na kung sakasakali may mangyayari sa ating Grand Champion for tonight, siya po ang lalaban bukas sa Battle of the Outdoor Champion. Our
Okay.
first runner-up,
Walang iba kundi ang umawit ng Listen May Herico! Congratulations! Ayaw mo kumalik sa amin, no? Choosy ka, no? This time, of course. Once again, congratulations kay Samuel at saka kay May.
at ang ating Grand Champion na
pinakihintay natin.
Battle of the Champion. Pito po sila maglalaban-laban para makabit ang 10,000 tumataginting.
And of course, syempre, ang ating non-winners ay magkakamit pa rin ng consolation prize. Kaya lahat tayo panalo na tonight.
And to be awarded by our Kapitana Mervin Labador, ang ating Grand Champion for tonight.
Sino? Sino? Laksan nyo!
Nakakatakot! Ang ating Grand Champion para sa ating Intersitio 2011.
Nakakatakot ito. Handa na ba kayo? Palakpakan natin our Grand Champion tonight. Walang iba kundi si Maricol! unveiling natin tonight. Maraming salamat po.